Righty, it's a new day. It's a new day, Cam. It's a new day. Right. It's Monday. It's Wednesday.
I said one where it isn't raining.
Oh, one when it's not raining. It is not. It's actually very nice this morning. A bit chilly though, but anyway, we're going to continue brushing this bit up. It is still quite wet due to the weather we've had last couple of days. So we'll just keep going over that today. We'll probably leave that. We've got that wall up there, which we did. That's probably perfect sort of, well, we've sort of gone over it with a trowel. We just need to go over it with a wire brush and just neaten it up really. But it's just starting to dry properly now. And yeah, so today's agenda, we're going to crack on with these steps today, as well as the return, sort of build them at the same time. We've also got some slabs to whack on that wall up there. Once we've got the return in, and obviously the steps, we are pretty much there on this wall. All this wall then will be done. And then we just obviously got to brush it up and that. But you can sort of see actually on that wall where we started building it. I think we started this on Friday. Thursday or last Thursday? Yeah, Friday. Well, Monday actually. Friday and Monday we were doing that. Was it Friday and Monday we were doing that? Look at the difference in that colour.
Thursday we started this.
Thursday we started it. So what? Thursday, Friday, and half a day Monday.
Half a day, yeah.
Oh yeah, because obviously we did half a day Monday, and then obviously he wasn't here yesterday, which was Tuesday. So you can really see actually that wall. You know, from that bit anyway. Well, that wall there is about 2 weeks old, so you can see how much it changes colour. So yes, you can see the difference. But anyway, so yeah, we're gonna just keep brushing that up, bash on with that, get that up today. And then, like I say, got some slabs there to do. So, lovely jubbly. Let's get this done. Get it done. It's all coming together. Just lovely. Isn't it lovely, Cam?
Lovely.
That wall there is doing all right. Just like I say, it just needs brushing up as well. All needs brushing up. It's been perfect weather for lime, but we have noticed it has been a bit too wet. But then, to be honest with you, we've only got a little bit of tarp here. We could probably do some more tarp really, just to keep the actual rain off the walls, because the Hessian obviously just gets saturated and sucks it all in. So, but no, it's been all right. We've had no damage to it. It's just, yeah, like I say, it's just taking a bit longer to brush up, like so. Because even this wall here, it's probably been about don't know, a week. It's been about a week or two since that's been done. And you can sort of see, because you know the lime's actually absorbing the stone, and you can sort of see it staining. Especially when you look down here as well, you can actually see the lime sucking in the moisture. So it's actually, some of it's actually going really green. You sort of see, you know, it's changing colour every day. Well, this is not the first wall. The first wall was that one there on the other side as well, but you can sort of see, you know, it's getting darker and darker, which is really good because that'll go really well with the limestone. That will go really well with the greenstone. But anyway, stop waffling and let's get building. Crack on with today. Righty, so we've got this return in now, so now we're just going to crack on up to that wall up there and get this bit of paving done, get it done, and then I believe we're going to leave these steps just because there's a log burner being fitted in that little shed house thing, outhouse, what should we call it? So yes, yeah, get all pointed up, and then yeah, I think we'll spend the afternoon obviously brushing up. Well, the slabs there are going to take a while, so anyway, let's crack on. Oh, whack these slabs down, matey. Whack them down. morning, what a day. So we got that return done, lovely jubbly, got it all pointed, Cambo's just going around brushing it all up. So me and Pat now are putting these slabs down, and the slabs are just so varied, they're all different sizes, like some of them are like this thick, some of them are like that, some of them start that thick, then go down to that, and it's just the way they want them, because obviously it's all being looked over by, you know, conservation, architect, whatever, and we tried to say to them, right, we could just sort of cut, you know, shape them all up. There with, got a bit of a tree surgeon down the road. We could basically cut them all up so we can get them all lovely, you know, just basically obviously lay them like you do. Obviously we always knew the joints are going to be quite thick, but they want to basically, apparently we have been shown a picture and it is exactly the same. So we've got to lay them back down exactly the same, and some of the joints are like that. You know, I'm not even joking. So we're not going that big because we have actually condensed the area. But it's just sort of like we're laying them, we're a bit like, this just does not look right, it doesn't feel right, you know what I mean? So, but anyway, we've got to keep to this picture basically, and the way they want them laid is the way they want them laid. So we're just going to do as we're told. But yeah, so it's quite interesting. Like I say, I've never laid slabs like this before. I don't think Pat has either. So that's all right. If that's what they want, it's what they want. You know, we're going to lay them down, and you know, yeah. So we have, I think, on this one as well, we've laid them on cement, and then we're going to point them with lime, just because obviously they are so big, and also we got some bad heavy weather coming in. So yeah, just so it goes off and we know they're all right, if you know what I mean. And also what's brilliant as well is where we're laying the slabs is they've got a log burner getting fitted, so that's even more of a treat. So we're just having to put them down light, and we've got one slab which we're probably just gonna use as the dummy slab and then let people walk on basically. It's really thick and it's like right on obviously where we're laying the slabs, so it shouldn't really move, but we'll just sort of, you know, everyone's been told, so they're just using that as a step up. But if we have to relay it last thing, we will, and then we'll just shut off the area. But no, that's all good. We're just going to leave it, like I say, get all that done, get all that sorted today, and then that is it. Then that area is going to get gravel around it and bloody blah. I don't think we're going to point it today. We'll probably point it tomorrow, because I believe tomorrow's our last day here. So once we've got these slabs on, if we've got time, whatever, we're going to crack on with that steps, put the 3 steps in, and then, or if we don't do the steps, we're going to carry on the coping stones. So it's basically slabs anyway, so get as much, you know, slabbed up as possible, because now all the wall tops are done. Get it all done, so like, you know, by tomorrow basically we'll be pulling off this job for a while. We've got a load of little jobs just to smash out, and then we'll be back to yeah, obviously do some steps and whatever needs finishing. I believe Pat said he might pop back every few days, just obviously keep an eye on the pointing and stuff. But yeah, so it's all good. Yeah, so just want to try and really smash it out. So muddly jubbly these videos, but yeah, we are just tying up all the loose ends, getting it all done. Always gets to this, especially on a job like this where there were so many different factors. It wasn't just obviously building one wall, lots of things changed and stuff. So, but no, it's all good. And obviously you got the lime care as well. So anyway, let's finish IT, crack on with this afternoon. Like I say, get them slabs done, probably not the point in. Right, anyway, let's crack on and yeah, see what happens, baby.